Hi, I'm Sebastian from yworks. In this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free evaluation version of yfiles for HTML and how to get your environment ready. So let's dive into it.
We'll be using Node.js, and so make sure that you have a recent version installed. And we start by typing npx yfiles-dev-suite at latest, and this command downloads and installs the yfiles-devsuite, and it will automatically launch the load cold server and redirect your browser to it. So on the welcome page, you get a quick introduction to yfiles, hit continue, and then likely you haven't downloaded a yfiles package, so and you haven't signed up, so you choose the I don't have a yfiles package and hit the download button. This will log you into the yworks customer center. So if you haven't signed up, you have the choice between using any of these methods to connect with the yworks customer centers. I'll choose GitHub, and so this asks me to authorize the progress. So, and since I started this from Dev Suite, I'm asked whether I want to allow the integration with the customer center. So I hit accept. And now I'm already verified, and I requested the evaluation for yfiles for HTML. So all I need to do is start the download after accepting the license agreement and choosing a location. I'm going to put this into this directory over here. So just going to paste it and accept. So this now downloads the package, which comes with all the demos, documentation, and anything that you need to get started with development locally. So we're done. And in the background, while this is running, the package is being prepared. So let's just close this. So now this gives me an access to the yfiles for HTML, to the most recent version, and it's an evaluation license that is valid for the next 60 days. So now this is the Dev Suite giving me all the information that I need to check out the demos, the documentation, and get started with the implementation. Let's start the demo server, which runs the yfiles applications that come bundled with the evaluation version. Hit browse demos, then choose any one of the demos. This will launch the application locally, and here you have yfiles for HTML running. As next step, I recommend you check out how to create your own yfiles application, how to use the AI support development to get quickly started writing code with yfiles, or check out the documentation of yfiles and learn more about how to use it.
So this is how you download and register for an evaluation version of yfiles with the yfiles devsuite. Enjoy!